Sibo in. So what's up, everyone? So today we're going to be doing the cigarette lighter fuse on a 2012 Honda, and this process should be the same for the whole generation. But if your cigarette lighter stops working, this could potentially be the problem. So let me show you where this fuse is and how we can change it. All right, so the fuse panel you want is going to be on the driver's side door. So it's going to be on the driver's side here, and the diagram is actually right here on this side. So like I said, on the driver's side here, and you can see the fuses are right up here above, and we are looking for the cigarette lighter fuse. So if you're looking at the fuses right here, it ended up being number 27 fuse, which is this one right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one out so you guys can see. So I'm trying to do this one-handed and hold the camera. There we go. And that is, oops, that should be our culprit fuse. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that, but the fuse is definitely blown in the middle. You kind of see some of that char there, but it's definitely not meeting in the middle. Trying to get a good view of it. There you go. So you can see right there at the middle, the points do not touch, so this is our burnt out fuse. Since I don't have that size fuse, I'm going to check under the hood, and hopefully we have a spare fuse in there. So let me show you. So we're going to come here, got the hood popped already. This is the fuse box for under the hood, so we'll take that off. And booyah, we got some spare fuses in the lid and a fuse puller right here. So we're going to go ahead and take that 15 and go ahead and replace our fuse. Try to get a better view of the fuses there. So on top we have the good fuse, and then here on the bottom, which I'm flipping around, we have the bad fuse. So good fuse and bad fuse.